In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a base in Airtable. This is a great skill to have, especially if you're looking to reuse a template, back up your data, or simply experiment without affecting your original content. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, we'll start by heading over to Airtable's website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL to get to Airtable's homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you're not already signed in, look for the sign in button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your login details to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Airtable homepage. This is where you can see all of your existing bases, any recent activity, and other options. Now take a moment to scan through your list of bases and decide which one you want to duplicate. Once you've identified the base you want to work with, click on it to open it up. After the base is loaded, it's time to locate the menu that will help us with duplicating it. What you're looking for is a small icon, often represented as 3 dots, typically positioned near the top corner of the screen within the base interface. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From the menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Duplicate Base. Click on Duplicate Base and watch as the platform starts creating a copy of your selected base. This process usually takes just a few seconds, but it might vary depending on the size and complexity of your original base. And that's it, you now have a duplicate of your original base. You can rename it to whatever you'd like to make it easier to identify. Just click on the title of the duplicate and type in a new name. Duplicating a base is particularly useful when you're working on projects that require a lot of similar setup, or when you want to try out different configurations without making permanent changes to your original data. It's also perfect for sharing a base template with colleagues or using as a starting point for future projects. With that, you've successfully duplicated a base in Airtable. I hope this tutorial has been informative and helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and happy organizing with Airtable.